Oh, sure, yeah. This is a slower full face makeup tutorial using just the Subtle Beauty stack. Hi, my name is Rachel. I'm the founder and CEO of Subtl Beauty. We make customizable, portable makeup stacks for busy, badass people on the go. Let's get into it. Since this person is a makeup minimalist, I'm going to just use the first 4 products in the stack. So I'm going to use the concealer, a little bit of lip balm, lip and cheek, and the bronzer. Okay, starting with the concealer, and I'm Shea Chartiers. I'm going to use this as a hybrid concealer foundation. We designed this to have just like better spreadability so that it can be used a little more easily on the go. Being that it's thin, it can just cover larger surface areas. Now, if you struggle with gnarly blemishes like I used to, I definitely recommend keeping a thicker matte concealer handy as well. Next, I'm going to use the lip balm just to keep my lips hydrated. It also serves as like a nice glossy base for the lip and cheek we're going to use. All right, next is lip and cheek, and I have shade Mauve. A quick and easy placement trick that I use is to just place it below the C along here, and then I stop right at the corner of my eye. This side too. Just take 2 fingers and I blend. I get a lot of questions about using my fingers for application. I have very dry skin, and I find that a lot of tools, brushes, applicators can be quite abrasive for my skin, and it is very dry right now. So all fingers, baby, but they are clean. And I just use a patting motion in circles, trying not to get it past this corner, and then in an upward motion. I hit my 30s last year, so I'm trying to look as snatched as possible, and so that is why my blush placement is the way it is. I know a trend right now on TikTok is to take it right over the nose. I tried it with my facial structure. She's not cute. I'm also going to add that to my lip, same color, and see how you can see the gloss kind of coming through from the lip balm. Okay, next up is bronzer, and I'm actually going to use the Subtle Beauty Stack Brush BFF. It is really effing soft, and it comes free with every stack purchase. Just gonna dip into my bronzer, and I like to go directly under my blush and up around the frame of my face. Because I have a longer face, this creates an illusion of a shorter face. As a makeup minimalist, I recommend just taking that same bronzer and just use it as a brown eyeshadow. And that's it. Head on over to Subtle Beauty. Use code TikTok for 15% off. And don't forget your free Stack Brush BFF.